see if this is it. Because the water won't come on in the kitchen sink. So I'm looking for the spot where the batteries go. I think this is it, according to the video I watched. Bam. Don't play with your girl. New ones. Rubber band back around here. They said it just made a seal. I don't know why they made this like that. Oh. Come on now. Trying to go do my workout. I'm trying to get this little seal on top back around here. So that's what's gonna help keep it closed. Okay? Oh. The darn screw. Now I gotta find that. That's what fell out. That's what that sound was. So now I gotta take everything out. Look for the screw that dropped. Like, where is it? That little bit, that little bitty screw. Like, where did it go? Come on. Did it fall in here? Yeah. Right there. That was too big for that, but that's gotta be the screw. Okay. Now where my little, look at this. Isn't that so cute? It's so tiny. Now, you know who's gonna wake up and be like, oh my God, the sink is working. Like, yeah, oh my God, I fixed it. And I sent him the video to do it. Gotta get things done. Clipped on the side in here. Okay, let's see. everything back in here. Trash. And we're gonna see if this water works now. Oh. Still sounding sketchy. Let's see. Maybe it's gonna take just a minute. I don't know. Okay, so now we have water. It was that little black lever on the side had to be turned. Don't tell me that was it the whole time. You need to tell me I figured this out and my plumber didn't. Got to be more careful.